Hey Gazelle, this is Doc Key from Massive Flying Billboards. I want to thank you for allowing me to send this video out to you guys. So real quickly, I'm going to be keeping this video short and straight to the point. I'm going to give you guys 3 tips that you can use today to really optimize your traffic and bring more customers to your business online. I'm going to be covering 3 points: content, citations, and backlinks. So to get started, the first thing I want to talk about is content. And content is basically anything that you see on your front page, as far as text, images, what these images may be saved as, any videos, what those videos may be saved as. So Google typically wants to see about 1,500 words of content on your front page. So if we put you guys into this word counter here, we see that you guys have 156 words on your front page. So in this video, I'm going to be putting you guys up against your competitors, Figlia and Sons Incorporated. So these are another company located in Manhattan and Brooklyn, or wherever you guys, just in New York generally. And they're also HVAC specialists. So like I said, Google wants to see about 1,500 keywords on words of content on your front page. And if we put these guys into this counter, we see that they have about, let's see actually what they have. They have quite a bit here. They have 1,124 words, right? So Google wants to see about 1,500 words on your front page, but these guys are actually doing pretty good with the content. Sometimes on the internet, most of the websites are not ranking with this much content, so these guys are pretty off to a good start. But you guys can come in here and beat them right out with that content, and just, so you guys can be considered authority. Content is not necessarily a ranking factor with Google, but the significance of this content is that you want to be able to save these images as keywords that you're trying to be found for. So as you can see right here, this is a partial cutoff, air conditioner repair. This would be a keyword that you want to get saved for as well, right? So you just want to make sure you're saving all of these as keywords, and so you can be found for those. So you see these numbers here, it shouldn't be saved as that. This one would be considered a keyword depending on how you word it. So this is a software I like to use called Ahrefs, and it shows me that you guys are ranking for 2 organic keywords. So the significance of this software is that I'm able to come in here and see also what your competitors are ranking for, and we see that they're ranking for 3,400 keywords. So if we was an example of a keyword was if we was to type in Manhattan into this search query here, and if you see that I already had included HVAC, so you see this search right here pops up: HVAC Repair Manhattan, HVAC Manhattan, Manhattan HVAC, right? And as we can see, if we go in here, you guys are not ranking for this keyword. You're ranking for high temp. You're ranking for your brand, which is very good. So you guys are getting about 40 searches per month or whatever. But the thing is about this also is that you want to be using this keyword properly. This is you guys' brand, but your guys not on the first page for this. Now the reason for this is that you want to be implementing it properly on your website. You want to have more content, saving these images as such, and you guys can definitely go in here and beat them out. Another reason why this may be the case is that, well, actually, I'm going to get into that, but what I'm going to tell you guys is that these referring domains, this is what passes you guys power. So this is, as you can see, these guys have 183, and they getting 4,000 traffic to their website every month. And if you guys have a 0 traffic value, but it could be easy to come in here and beat these guys. So I'm going to show you what you could do today to do that. So an example of a keyword would be if we used to copy this right here, and we used to put this into Google, and this is how we found these guys. So we put this keyword here into Google. We see that, so this first section here is this is the ad section. This is a new ad section actually. This is a more precise ad section. This is the map section, which we're going to get into as well, and this is the organic section. So obviously being in one of these sections here is bringing a lot of traffic, and as you can see, when we typed in this keyword, HVAC Repair Manhattan, these guys popped up who are one of your competitors. So when we go in here to their site, like we said, we can go in here and see what keywords they're ranking for, and what we can do is go in here and take these keywords that they're ranking for, and we can use them on your site. So I will continue what I would like to do, and as you can see that we already seen the volume in Manhattan, which you guys can be getting. This is 100 searches per month, 60 searches per month. This is 50 searches per month. So I'm already seeing about 210 searches. So if we go in here and we see what these guys are ranking for, let's just say I seen on you guys' website Bronx, right? So if we type in Bronx and we just continue to narrow it down, and we also put you up against a few of your other competitors and see what they're doing, and we'll go get their keywords as well. So we'll see that they're ranking for Bronx air conditioner repair. These are the keywords that they're using: Bronx air conditioner repair, air conditioner Bronx, New York, air conditioner Bronx, New York, AC repair Bronx, New York, air conditioner repair Bronx, New York, and so forth and so on. And the keywords vary as you see that they differentiate. So already I'm seeing here 40 searches, 30 searches, 10 searches, 30 searches, and so forth and so on. A lot of 50 searches. So I'm already seeing over 500 searches per month that you guys can be getting if you guys implement this on your website. So that's the significance of content. and keywords. So you, like I said, you want to be using that content in your front on your homepage, and it basically is a good description. It's a good for you guys because you want to give a description to your audience and to Google. What is it that you do and where is it that you do it? You want to have a lot more interaction on your front page. You want to have a click to call. You want this to be click to call. You want to have a form submit here as well. You guys have a lot of potential that you can do for your website actually. So the second thing I want to talk about is citations, and basically citations are any directory on the web that you're allowed to list your business information, phone number, address, location on the internet. So the significance of this is I call this the NAP section, the name, address, and phone number section. And this section is responsible for citations. And citations are basically a process that you will implement on your website that allows you to be seen as credible to Google. And if you were able to rank into this section, I guarantee you guys can increase tremendously in traffic. This section down here brings a lot more traffic, but this section is responsible for 44% of that traffic because of the user experience. Typically, people like to come in and click a button and they like to go to someone's website. So citations is very important. A software I use to get citation is a software called whitespark.ca, and allows me to put you guys competitors here, and then we also put you guys here and see what citations they have and what citations you don't have, and we go get the ones they have, and then we continue that process and get the most citations. So citations is very important. So content citations to be considered credible with Google in order to be found in search results. So citations is very important. The third thing I want to talk about, and as important, is backlinks. And this is, as the keywords, bread and butter for your business, because like I said, we come in here and we see these guys, I know they have a lot of backlinks, and the significance of this is that we're able to take these guys' backlinks and use them on your page, right? And the thing is that if these backlinks are good enough to rank their website, they will be good enough to rank yours. But the secret to backlinks is that you want to make them, relevant to your industry. So the thing is that we're able to go in here and see these guys' backlink, and we're able to duplicate them and use them for your site. So that's just the good thing with backlinks. When you get a backlink, what you want to look for in a backlink is something that allows you to get a link to your website. And basically what backlinks are, links that pass power to your website. So you want to have your website linking on other HVAC companies or companies in your industry that's similar to what is it that you do. If you're linking on to a baseball company or Dunkin' Donuts or anything of that sort, it won't be relevant to your industry, and it won't do you guys a lot of benefit. These numbers here is your UR ranking, and DR ranking, and these are your competitors. As you can see, these guys are not doing too well. They have a lot of search traffic every month. They got a traffic graph of 13,000. But however, this number is supposed to be a 1-to-1 ratio. This tells me that there's a lot of things off with their website. So in order for you guys to come in and beat these guys out, you want to go in here and get them backlinks and put them to your website. So you see that you guys have one backlink, and you want to go out there and get much, much more. I guarantee if you implement this process with content, first of all, keywords, secondly, and you want to go get them citations to list in different directories throughout the web, such as Yext, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List is one as well, White Pages. There are many more. There are hundreds more. Go get the software. This is a software called majestic.ca, and you want to get these backlinks, and backlinks are very, very important. It's going to pass you guys a lot of power. It's going to get you ranking on them Google search results. So and the software I used to go get that is called majestic.com. So I hope you guys found this information informative, and if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. I guarantee that if you guys implement this process today, you'll start to see a tremendous increase in traffic on your website. All right, guys, take care. Thank you.